everyone. This is the 30th of the 3rd 2022 Gbpjpy 30-minute time frame. What we're looking at, I've done my previous video was through the night Asian session, nice 67 pips. So first position TP1 was at 25 pips, then the second position let run hit the 67, and then into London we ranged, we consolidated, got that push up. We got the confirmed higher high, lower high, drawn the trend line, got the break, and because of the momentum of this bullish candle, it give me confidence to go against my trade plan, which was, yes, we got the break, but I don't look for an entry against the 50. We look for a break above the 50, come back down towards the 8, then enter long. But this strong bullish candle give me the confidence to wait for. Got the break, got the break of the bullish candle here. We got the close, got the retracement back to the 8, got my entry. Yeah, so my first position smashed straight through TP1, and then moved to break even. My second position, and that got stopped out. So that was that position. So then we got a confirmed higher high here. So we initially had the higher high, then we got another higher high, trend line drawn. Yeah, then we got the break, which the break actually closed above the 50. So we got the retracement back, which was a great retracement, because usually that retracement still keeps you north of the, or south, whatever, of the 50. But this retracement really pulled back to the 8. So and that retracement there was in line with my trade plan, because we got the close here above the 50, retracement, great entry here, and then we pushed up for my third trade of the day, straight into hitting TP1, and then obviously my runner move stops to break even, and I'm managing an open position as we speak. I've set my second position. I set an like a mental overall target, like you can see here, which is an overall target of 91 pips up to this high here. But it's not, because on day trading it's not set. I haven't set a target there, because what I'll do is I'll keep an eye on the position, and I won't let run. I won't set and forget. This is a managed running position. I'll just see how it goes, and yeah, we might smash through this and continue up. See, this is one of the reasons why I don't do that. But yeah, great day. So hope the video is clear. I hope it helped. Any further explanations, leave your messages below. Hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell, don't want to miss any videos. Look forward to tomorrow's video.